How to make quote cards in Google Chrome. 1. Open any website and select a portion of text you would like to share as a quote. After selecting the text, tap on Share and choose Create Card from the Share sheet. 2. On the next page, you can now choose from among 10 theme templates. The available options are classic, friendly, fresh, powerful, impactful, lovely, groovy, monochrome, bold, and dreamy. Pick a theme you like and hit Next at the top right. You will then see the share sheet that you can use to either copy the quote card or share it to other apps. 3. Here's what the quote card looked like when I shared it on Telegram. As you can see below, you also get the URL with the image, and it takes you directly to the quoted text on the website. And there you have it. You have now created a stylish quote card right within Chrome without relying on any third-party photo editing apps.